All right, guys. Good day, good morning, good evening, kung saan man kayo tapit ng mundo, no? Once again, this is Tishu Shante and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video po, pag-uusapan po natin etong sinasabi o maingay sa Philippine boxing regarding sa upcoming fight ni Martin versus Picasso. By the way, it's been a while na hindi tayo nag-update sa boxing. It because medyo maganda ang sa politics, no? But anyway, medyo next week pa naman yung yung politics. We're going to tackle this this pag-uusap o itong upcoming daw sa Martin versus Picasso. Now, first of all, this uh, fight, I would like to congratulate Martin if ever makuha tong laban nito. Kasi as of now, they are still under in negotiation. But we cannot say na um, final it because they're still under talk pa. Diba? Like I said, guys, if you watch or if you see my post that Martin, um, parang di ko nakita doon sa nalalaman ko o doon sa sabihin natin nalaman o naku-gather ko lang na information, I never heard that they are considering it, Picasso and Martin. As far as sabihin natin nakalap, no? It was Alim, no? They're eyeing for Picasso. But we don't know, maybe. Balay natin. Pero yan ang niluluto nila Picasso. Yun ang parang tinitingnan nila na option. Kasi, um, to be honest, they never heard about Martin, even though he's a rank number one. Um, they see that probably maganda yung kunin yung spot ni probably sabihin lang natin maganda yung kunin yung spot ni Martin kasi nasa number one spot. Ang pangalawang tanong, ano bang threat ni Martin kay Picasso? Well, kahit sabihin natin na wala pang masyadong experience si Martin sa mga bigatin na fight, I have to support Martin because he's a Filipino, no? I w- I'm rooting for him na manalo kasi nga Pilipino siya. And that's of course that's what we need to do, support our kababayan, no? Even though he doesn't have that experience, but we believe in boxing kasi in just one punch mag-iiba ang alam mo na, mag-iiba yung laro, 'di ba? It could be magiging pabor sa kanya in just one punch, right? And also, I will not gonna confirm first kung tuloy ba ang laban na ito, hindi. Kasi under talk pa eh. A lot of vloggers, a lot of um, meron na ring si Kinito Hento naglabas rin ng statement about regarding the upcoming fight and we don't know exactly where that information coming from. It might be kay Silver Voice or maybe kay SG, we don't know, no? But like I said, I'm not getting only one source of information, no? And beside that source, of course, sa kanila yan. And of course, you have to look for other counter source kung totoo ba ang sinasabi nila. And so far, wala pa tayong nakikita na conformity, even those big media outlet in the US or in Mexico. Wala pang nakitang confirmation na this is a final between Picasso and Martin. What I've learned or what I've gathered an information is Picasso versus Alim. Yan. Posible. Yan ang nakikita ko o nagagather ko, the information, doon sa kabilang dako ng mundo. Okay? Now, here, I hope lang matuloy. I hope kasi nga, like I said, Martin really needs a fight like this to justify his high rank position in the WBO. And I think also in WBC because naka-rank din siya do'n. IBF rather, naka-rank I think siya sa IBF. Um, this will be an opportunity fight for him if ever nagkataon na matuloy, 'no? A I'm hoping, I'm hoping. Because like I said, he really need to prove his, for the longest time that he's been in the rank number 1 in top 5, he really need to prove that to everybody's out there in the boxing community or in the boxing industry. Kasi otherwise, 'pag hindi pa siya nakakuha ng mga ganitong klaseng laban, there will be a question why he's still in rank in after, in the top 5 ranking. So there will be a big questions on that. Pero, like I said, um we wanted to have that fight with Martin, and we wanted him to win against Picasso, 'di ba? As I support sa Filipino boxing natin dito sa Pilipinas. Um, right now, is still wala pang confirmation, and if we're going to look at the by the way, shout out to all sports, to all about sport, no? Shout out for me using your post here. And kung titingnan natin sa BoxRec, no, ngayon, dahil wala pang confirmation, no, eto lang guys. Dito lang tayo muna magbabase, wag muna doon sa sa kung saan ko nagkalap yung impormasyon na yon. Dito, kung titingnan mo talaga, wala pa namang dahil hindi pa naman confirm, eh. Malay natin there is a call of negotiation along the way, no? But I hope it will not gonna happen, for the sake of Team Martin. Ang gusto lang natin na makakuha siya ng big fight. Kasi yun naman talagang inaasam-asam nila na big fight. And it will be a big opportunity as well na kung sa Riyadh season idadaos. Now, this is my question guys, no? Sino ba ang major fighters nito, if it will be under Riyadh? So, it should be Picasso or Martin, right? Kung saan nilang dalawa diyan. But I think for me, my own opinion, Picasso is the fighter of kumbaga parang nagiging A-side o kung sa Bisaya pa inilog, no? Sa Riyadh. And definitely they have to go to this because he will be more sellable rather than Martin. That's a fact. I'm not saying favoring to Picasso because ganyan. But like I said, when it comes to sellable fight, no, Picasso has that quality pa nga compare natin kay Martin. So meaning to say, if you're a business, you have to build up something for this guy in order for you to have a big fight in the future. Maybe we're going to fight Nakatani next year and Picasso. I don't know. That will be a big fight, right? And hopefully nga, if ever matuloy sila Picasso tsaka si Martin, matalo ni Martin. Right? So, dito din natin makikita yung backstrike that they have already a confirmation fight. Kasi pwede magbago ang isip, pwede magbago yung direction, depende na sa negotiation. Like what happened to Galazo and Taduran, back and forth negotiation, bakit hindi talaga natutuloy yung laban nila. And magkaiba yung kwento dito sa Pilipinas, magkaiba rin yung kwento sa sa dito sa Puerto Ricans. And iba yung kwento narinig ko dito at saka iba rin dito. So, we don't know exactly sino nagsasabi ng totoo. 'Di ba? So, sometimes we have to base on the information available online, based on the information dito kasi you cannot agree on the other side kasi kwento nila yan, and then the same goes here on the other side. So, you have to listen both parties. 'di ba, kung sino talaga nagsasabi ng totoo, bakit hindi natutuloy, okay. But, um, hopefully nga matutuloy yung mga big fight natin sa mga Pilipino kasi yun naman lang talaga, yung kasiyahan natin yung mga boxing fans, alright? So again guys, there is no confirmation yet that, there is a final and official fight from, between these two guys, Picasso and Martin. So wala pang confirmation, wala pang official announcement, and we'll just have to wait on that. And there's a possibilities na maiba yung direksyon. It could be Picasso versus Alim, no? Kasi yun ang naririnig kong usapan dun sa kabilang dako. And hopefully na matuloy talaga versus Picasso at Martin. All right? So if you agree on that, just comment down below, or if you think, matutuloy ba ang laban nila, just comment below. Ano kayang dahilan ng possibilities ito kung hindi matutuloy, you can comment guys. Now, move on the next topic tayo guys. So, meron dito naglalabasan, no, sa Facebook na may sinabi si Martin regarding kay Casimero, right? Na sinasabi na, um, kaya daw, sabi niya na kaya niya daw talunin. Walang ibang, o sabihin natin walang hindi makakatalo. Let me find the exact word, no. Eto sabi niya na, walang paraan na matatalo siya ni Casimero, tama? Eh, 'yun ang sinasabi kahit nga daw si Inoue. Okay, let me get this one guys, here, eto. Martin kaya daw saluhin ng suntok at talunin si Casimero o si Inoue. 'Yun ang ano dito guys, statement. I don't know this is exact phrase na sinabi ni Martin. Um, if we are going to base on on that statement alone, I would say I am 100% disagree na kayang saluhin o hindi matatalo, o sabihin natin na sinasabi niya na kaya, ito saluhin at suntok at talunin si Casimero o si Inoue. Well, like I said guys, boxing is very ano kasi, in just one punch, the game will be flipped, mag-iiba yung laro, no, maiiba yung favor, so depende. Pero when it comes to skills and power guys, Casimero is different, no? Kahit naka-block ka lang, naka-guard ka, naka-high guard ka, maduduling ka talaga. And I don't think Martin face that kind of fighters, no, na gano'n kalakas sumuntok. He might have the advantage of siguro sabihin natin yung hangin, kasi nga he's still young and then mataas yung ano niya. But when it comes to saluhin niya ang suntok, you will be in front, nasa harap ka lang ni Casimero, tapos naka-high guard ka lang, medyo masasabi ko that the statement that you said is 100% ano lang, ah, kabaliktaran ang kinakakalabasan niyan. Kumbaga, I don't know why he said it, or maybe some people make this post, pero I don't agree na kaya niyang saluhin kahit tatlong, sabihin natin siguro, pagbibigyan kita isang suntok lang, you might be survive with your high guard. But when it comes sa combination, o dalawa o tatlo, apat na suntok na matatama solid sa'yo, o sabihin man natin half lang kasi may guy guard, nakadepensa. I don't think you could o kumbaga I don't think na hindi ka masasaktan. Masasaktan ka talaga dun. And that's one thing or one reason why you will not going to engage. and you will just gonna full on backpedaling style na. So, kung sabihin nating matatalo, there's a lot of way kung paano matatalo ang isang boksingero. Eh, like I said to you guys 'no, Casimero is not some something na parang is really hard to, uh, defeat o sabihin natin mahirap talunin. Kasi nga there is already a blueprint um, kumbaga, how to give a loss to Tata. There's already a blueprint, okay? And of course, yung kay Jonas Sultan, may blueprint na yun kung gano'n yung style ng kalaban niya. And at the same time kay Kameda. So, those are the blueprint na posibleng magbigay ng talo kay Casimero, 'di ba? Even though you're a Casimero fan na hindi blind ha, you know exactly 'no, kung ano yung pamamaraan na talunin si Tata, 'di ba? So, and that make us, kumbaga sabihin natin na nakita natin, kumbaga sabihin lang natin na yun ang katotohanan na matatalo't matatalo si Casimero. Pero when it comes to this statement ni Martin na sinasabi na, kaya niyang talunin if he had a strategy that the same with Kameda 'no, or mas improve pa kay Jonas Sultan kasi very close fight din yun 'no. If you have that kind of strategy, there's a possibility matatalo mo siya. But if you're just going to make it toe to toe to Casimero, there's no way for you to give that loss to him. There's no way. Sigurado ako masasabi ko, tumayo ka lang, 3 suntok lang diyan, talagang bagsak ka kaagad kay Casimero. He has a different kind of power, okay? How much more dito din kay Inoue. Well, it's a good thing that you make that kind of, si ano Martin, it's a good thing that he make that kind of statement to give confidence to himself, and that's normal. And, I could not take that away from him. Sa kanya 'yan. Kasi ika nga, if that give him more confidence, motivation to win the fight, then so be it. But of course, as a commentator, as a ano, what we call this, a reactionist sa boxing, this is my reaction. And this is you might agree or disagree on this, opinion, but like I said, this is this is what I observed and this is what I saw. Yung, laban ni Tata, kung makikita nyo lang, is definitely talagang masasaktan yung kalaban kahit naka-high guard pa yan. Mag-iiba talaga yung laro mo. So, I am also confident na kaya din talunin ni Tata si si Martin. That's easy work for him kung talagang pakikipagsabayan, 'di ba? Pero I don't think if that fight will happen, I don't think, Martin will ano, will have the guts to, na makipagsabayan kay Jandrel. I don't think so he had that confidence na makipagsabayan. Mahihirapan din siya talaga, 'no? Kung puntos-puntos lang malamang 'yan, 'no, papahabol 'yan, posible. Pero when it comes to toe to toe, I don't see that he's have the edge of winning that kind of match with Casemiro. I'm just being honest. This is my own opinion. If do you think, um, mali yung sinasabi, then comment. Just comment and then we'll just have an argument on the comment section, 'di ba? And then if I do have a live in my YouTube, then you are free to climb o libre kayong umakyat para makapagdiskusyuhan. Oh, 'di ba? 'Yan lang, 'di ba? Hindi naman puwedeng tama kayo, mali kami. Hindi rin puwedeng tama kami, mali kayo. So, everybody has his own opinion, then that's the time na magdiskusyuhan tayo. And like I said, you may disagree or agree sa opinion, and that's it. Puwede 'yan, okay? So, just to have a recap, I think, hindi kaya, 'no, itong statement na 'to, I would say I am 100% disagree na kung matutuloy mo yung laban, matatalo niyo si Casimero. If they going to fight toe to toe, I don't see that he is winning on that fight. Pero kung sasabihin niya na pupuntusan lang, atras-atras lang, like ni Kameda, posible pa. Pero 'di natin alam. Like I said, isang tama lang ng suntok, it will change the game, okay? So, anyway guys, that's all for now. And if you agree on that, on whatever I said, comment below. If you disagree, just comment down below. All right. Once again, this is Bishushante. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye for now.